Do you want to bring your still photos to life and turn them into eye-catching videos? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to easily animate a single image using Canva in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video design. Then upload and add the photo you want to animate onto the canvas. Once your image is placed, click on the edit option at the top of the screen and look for the Magic Studio on the left-hand side. From there, select the Magic Grab tool, which allows Canva to intelligently analyze your photo. After the analysis is complete, click on the person or object in the image to select it. Then hit the Grab option. This instantly separates your photo into two layers, the subject and the background. Now comes the animation part. First, select the person or the main object. Tap on the Animate option at the top and choose Breathe Animation. Use the scale slider to adjust how strong the animation feels until it looks natural. Next, select the background layer, apply the breathe animation again, but this time make sure the in option is selected so it complements the subject's movement. This contrast creates a subtle depth effect that makes the image feel alive. And that's it. You have successfully transformed a still photo into a smooth animated video using Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.